Hello, everyone. As we approach the end of 2020, I'm excited to give our entire community a closer look at the progress on the three remaining projects in our facilities master plan for the Upper Arlington schools. The new high school, the new Windermere, and the renovation project at Barrington are progressing quickly, on schedule, and on budget, and we look forward to opening the new spaces for students in the start of the 2021-2022 school year. First, let's take a look at the renovation project at Barrington. As you knew, the new classroom and media center addition was completed in August, and we were thrilled to welcome students into those new spaces this fall. Since then, the renovation project has been moving quickly in the older areas of the building. Crews are finishing up the interior wall rough-in and ductwork, and drywall will be going in soon. These renovated spaces will house the new main office, new learning spaces, and additional office space. Over at Windermere, it's amazing to see how quickly the new building is taking shape. The structural steel is all set, and the entire building will be under roof, and temporary windows will be installed to dry in the building before the new year. Crews will be starting on brickwork on the exterior and drywall installation inside. Finally, let's take a look at the new high school. You can see windows are going in throughout the building. Inside, crews are moving up floor by floor through the academic area to complete drywall installation and begin painting. Along the main boulevard in the building, framing is being completed along both sides. The arts and athletic spaces are coming along nicely. The competition gymnasium is being painted and will soon have the scoreboards in place, and installation of the wood flooring will begin after the first of the year. Work on the natatorium is moving along as well, with the concrete walls being completed. I also want to make everyone aware of some drainage work that will be going on at the high school site during winter break. Since this work is near the site of the former Litchford family cemetery, where remains were found earlier this year, we will have our archaeological team with us, and we will proceed very cautiously. We are continuing to work with descendants of Pleasant Litchford and other community volunteers to determine the next steps for honoring the history of the Litchford family cemetery site adjacent to the current high school building. This includes the possibility of additional archaeological work on the site and the creation of a formal memorial near the site of the cemetery. We will continue to share updates with our community about this important work. Please visit our website to find photo galleries of all the projects and the video tours of the completed projects, the new Greensview, the new Wycliffe, the Tremont renovation and addition, and the Barrington addition. We look forward to having an opportunity in 2021 to welcome our community into all of these new spaces. Have a great day, and as always, go Bears!